Khalifa, wake up, wake up. Do you want to go shopping with me? Yeah. Come on, let's go.
Kids, where are you going?
We're going to the mall.
Yeah. Together?
Yeah.
Well, let's hope you get along soon. Bye.
Bye. Khalifa, let's go to the car. I totally forgot that. Let's turn the car on.
Meanwhile.
Okay, close it.
Bluetooth mode.
Meanwhile, of the record of getting out of the parking spot.
Finally found a parking. Let's go in. Fresh air in the mall. Hey sis, can I go over there to the shoe shop? I really like it. Okay, sure, why not? 3, 2. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, Juno, I haven't seen you in a long time. I'm finding for my brother. Really? Isn't he lost? I saw him walk into that shoe shop over there. Hey, you want to come over to my house? Find him and come up to our house? To my house? Okay. Sorry, my mom's calling. Oh no, my mom's calling me. I'm so sorry. I gotta go. So if you find your brother, I guess call me. I'll call you and I'll take him. Come over with you. And is your brother there?
No, he's staying at home. He's sick. I think he has a virus. He's
Okay, can I bring my brother there to play with your brother?
Okay, bye.
Oh, I've been looking for you everywhere. Do you want to come to my friend's house?
Okay.
Her brother wants to come. He really wants you. Okay. Oh, look, there's a restaurant there. I want to go to the bathroom. Where's the bathroom? Do you want to come to me? With me? Because I want to go to the bathroom too. I just can't hold it. If you want me to get you there, then I'll come back. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
1.
Oh, he took ages. How did he take long? Like he took for half an hour. Oh, I forgot I washed my hands. Let me go back. Oh, I want to go bathroom. Can you sit here? Wait, who's gonna order? What do you want? Barn. Can you hold the key for me? Okay.
Oh, sir, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry you've been waiting a long time. What would you like to eat?
I would like 2 Barneys and that's
Barney's. Okay, bye.
I'll get it.
Sir, here are your 2 Barneys. Would you like anything else?
This is so good. If you'd like it, I will say 4. That was good. I got it open. Okay, got it. Yeah. You know what? I don't feel so good. Khalifa, wake up, wake up, wake up. Khalifa, we got to go to Mom. Hi, Mom.
What, sweetie? What is going on?
Hello, Mom. Khalifa fainted. I don't know what's happened. I don't know if he slept or I don't know what happened. I think it's because of the Barney that we ate.
I don't know what to say about that, but be upstairs as soon as possible. Got it?
Okay,
Bye.
bye. Khalifa. Oh, what happened? Come get out of the car. Mom wants you. Can you open the door for me? Let me open it for you. Yeah, can you open it? It's locked inside. It's okay. I can get out. I opened it. I pointed it.
What's going on? It must be Khalifa's outside. Let me open the door. What's going on? happened? You called me.
I fell asleep.
You said it might be because of the Barney, because 10 minutes later he digested it and he...
I'm Barney. I like it.
Let me study it.